Welcome back, everybody. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today, and I hope you guys are continuing to grow your business each and every day. So today we're going to be talking about myself, the channel, and kind of where it's heading in the future. I'm sorry I haven't posted a video in like over a month now. I've just been really busy with work, my part-time job, and with reselling. So in this video, I'm basically going to be like revamping the channel and starting it back up again and beginning to do it actually full time and giving you guys daily videos. So we'll talk about the schedule here in a minute. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about myself and what this channel is going to be about. So let's just dive right into it. Hopefully it's not too long of a video. So when I started this channel, I actually had a part-time job just in a retail store that sells video games, action figures, comic books, DVDs, stuff like that. And I loved the job so much. I worked there for over a year, and just recently I finally decided to quit that job and start reselling full time. Now, I was able to do that because I've seen the growth of my business. Each and every month I have my reports, I have charts, and I have all this stuff, of course, that I know how much I'm making, right? So I finally had the money to be able to do it. I finally got out of debt that I had prior to this, or prior to this year, pretty much. Me just being dumb and purchasing stuff I shouldn't have. So I finally sold that stuff off and recouped a lot of the money and put it back into the business. So basically that's where I'm at now. I am technically now a full-time reseller and full-time YouTuber. Now, I know I only have 19 subscribers on this channel, and I started it 2 months ago and only have probably 8 videos or something like that. But we're going to be going into this very, very hard, and I'm going to be giving you guys videos pretty much every single day, Monday through Friday, okay? So that's going to be the schedule that I'm focusing on is Monday through Friday, you guys will be getting videos. So at least 5 videos a week. If I have enough videos, I will post them during the weekend. So what I'm going to start doing to make it a little easier on myself when I have all my setup, when I have everything set up in here, is I don't have a lot of room. I live in an apartment. I have my bedroom and my closet. So my lights and my equipment that I use for YouTube, I kind of have to store away when I'm not using them. So what I'm going to do is try and make all these videos in 1 day or 2 days. That way I can pretty much get these videos out of the way and kind of post them throughout the week. That way I'm not, falling behind and having to do all this extra stuff to get ready for making a YouTube video. And it's not a lot of extra work, but it does make the process easier for me if I make, more videos than just one in 1 day. So that's going to be the goal for me, is to make at least 5 videos a week for you guys. I'll probably make more. I probably will put out videos on Saturday and Sundays. The reason I'm not guaranteeing it is because those are the days that I spend with my friends and family. Monday through Friday, I work. And then Saturday and Sunday, I basically go over to my parents' house and watch football and have dinner with them. And then on Sunday, I hang out with my friends. We play board games and just have a good time. So Saturday and Sunday, not guaranteed, but I will try and get videos out on that. So the channel is mainly going to be about reselling and basically like money management. If you guys sell on Amazon, eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, anywhere, the channel is going to be for you. I'm looking to not just make videos for you guys. I'm looking to create a community. And I've been in a few communities before. I'm in the reselling community. Not as much as I'd like to be. I'm going to get into it more just because I haven't had the time. But I used to collect video games a lot. I used to have over 800 video games. So I was really, really heavy into that community. I was trading with people. I had a YouTube channel where I was talking to them. I had a few hundred people, or a few hundred subscribers. So it was a really, really, really good time, and I enjoyed it. And it's really just getting to know people and getting to be in a community and helping other people out. I just loved it. So that's why I'm doing this YouTube channel, because I want to help other people, and I want other people to help me. I'll say it. We can all help each other become better resellers, better businessmen and women. It's just the all-around aspect of everyone helping each other. Really, it just feels good. And I know a lot of people don't like, not necessarily helping people, but they don't want to share their secrets. And I'm the same way. I'm not going to give you like my favorite spots. I'm not going to tell you what to go buy so that the listing gets tanked and all that stuff. But I do want to create a community that everyone can kind of come together. And I know there's already communities on other people's channels, but it's different to the person. I love being on other people's channels and talking to them, but I also want people to be like kind of on my channel and me talk to them. So it's just a different aspect, a different way of interacting with people. So that's my goal. If you guys sell on Amazon and eBay, that's pretty much what I'm going to be focusing on the most. Just videos like that, how to become a better seller. And you guys will see my journey as we move forward. I'll be talking about my goals for next year and my goals for this year and what I achieved and what I didn't. Just stuff like that. That's really what the channel is going to be about. I will put in some money management. And what I mean by that is kind of like saving money, how to use your money, how to use credit cards, how to grow your business with capital, all that kind of stuff that comes with business or reselling, and kind of how to save money. I also, I totally just drew a blank. I invest in the stock market. So I will be doing some stock market videos here and there, kind of showing you guys my portfolio, what companies I like to buy. I think I'm going to do like one video a week on the stock market and kind of what I like to buy, because I'm not like heavily into the stock market. I put 10% of my profits into the stock market, so I will be talking about like how to save money and stuff like that. So basically just kind of like my whole life, my business, just kind of how I go about life and how I save money and make money. So that's pretty much what the channel is going to be about. And if you guys are interested in making money and kind of seeing me grow as a reseller and growing my business into an actual full-time business, stay tuned, guys, because this is going to be, next month will be my first full month being a full-time reseller. And I think it's going to be fun. It's going to be a really good time. I'm going to enjoy it. I'm already going hard. I just went out and bought, I think like 10 things today at a few stores. Ain't going to very much, but I did get some good stuff. So the background behind me will change. If you guys have seen my videos in the past, I tried to keep it clean. I got a shelf, like a plastic shelf up in here, and I just kind of put all the stuff that needs to go up on eBay on that shelf, and then everything moves into my closet after that. So it'll always be constantly changing. So I hope you guys don't mind the clutter, but there will be stuff behind me. I just don't have the room to make it like a clean studio setting, unfortunately. I wish I could, but I just don't have the room for that. So that's pretty much just kind of an introductory, guys, to the channel, to myself. If you guys have any questions about me or the channel or anything you just want to know in general, definitely comment down below. I'd love to hear it. We're going to be doing daily videos, like I said, Monday through Friday, and hopefully get some to you guys out on the weekends as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up if you just liked it, and if you want to say anything down below, comment. I'll always get back to you. Like I said, I want to make a community here, so anything you guys have to say, any questions, definitely comment down below. I'll try to help you out if I can, and I'll definitely get back to you no matter what. So I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I hope you guys continue to grow your business each and every day. I'll see you in the next video. Keep going, guys.